Well, I've been living here in Japan for over 10 months and I still haven't managed to visit the JDM tuning shops where the JDM legends were born. So I've set myself a 3-day challenge to head to as many performance and tuning shops in the Tokyo region as I can, starting off here in Tomisato, Chiba. Well, the first stop on my Tokyo tuning shop agenda, RE Amemiya. This is their shop out in Tomisato, Chiba. Obviously got a couple of customer cars behind me and their demo car. The shop itself is actually under renovation at the moment, getting a full fresh lick of paint. Let's take a look around some of the cars parked outside here, grab some B-roll and head on to the next spot. We're taking a look at this car. This was at the 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon and it's essentially a replica of their D1 GP RX-7. This thing's still got a 13B in it, but it's running the Amemiya D1 wide body kit in their iconic blue, of course. The coolest thing about this rig though, it's street registered, so it's got the Narita plate number 7 of course, so it can be driven on the roads. Got endless in the front and rear. Zeta 4s, brides inside with the RE Amemiya stitching and the Matsukiyo stitching as well. Running on Enkis, 265 Chiba tire in the front, 275 in the rear. Very, very, very cool. Then you got a couple more rigs on each side. This one, massive carbon spoiler on the back of this 7, very, very cool. Got the blue carbon RE Amemiya door handles, massive carbon vented hood. All the holes in the right places on this bad boy. Super tidy. Very, very cool weave carbon front lip. AP brakes, T37 SLs, very clean. And you can't go wrong with a white RX-7, big carbon spoiler, tinted car shop glow tail light, shout out to the homies, carbon diffuser, inside, old school gritty boost controller, carbon hood, fitment's real good. Yeah, this thing is very clean, very clean, very nice. And the next stop on the agenda, the Nismo Omori Factory, the one and only workshop where the actual 34Z tune and Nismo 400R were produced, and you can look straight into it. Primarily it's a tuning and restoration shop. They also have a massive showroom with memorabilia, trophies and race cars to look at, as well as the Nismo shop where you can pick up shift knobs and genuine badges to restore your GTR back to factory spec.
Second time, no was now you didn't know so. When I'm dead and I'm gone, but you smile, cause you know where I've been and gone.
So first thing you're greeted by when you come in here, 34, 33, 32, all genuine GTRs of course, Z-Tune hood, LMGT4s, proper kitted out cars, and you can see straight into the workshop, which is super sick. And then down in the back corner they have all the posters of the significant events over the last couple of years. This one striking particularly good memories, the 2024 40th anniversary Nismo Festival. Pretty much a year ago to today actually, 1st of December, beautiful weather, insane event out of Fuji Speedway. Somehow my first Nismo Festival and the last one ever. There was no 2025 Nismo Festival, which is a massive shame, but it was an amazing event. 40th anniversary to send it off, so very lucky we got to go down there, catch up with all our buddies from across Japan, see some epic cars and beautiful weather. And yeah, amazing memories from this event. Very cool. It's at Omori Factory, the big sign poster in the back row. It's so cool just looking into the shop. New Z just pulled into the bay. Got a Bayside blue 34 here, white 34 there, and a silica brass M-Spec tucked away down the end there. Just insane. And when the day comes to restore my GTR, I know where I'll be coming. All the genuine Nismo bits here, intake, turn signals, carbon inlet pipes, and genuine 34 steering wheel. Only Caesar can afford that one, if you know you know. Well, the next stop is one I'm really looking forward to as an avid Honda fan myself. Time to see some EKs, FKs, NSXs and S2Ks. It's Type 1, Spoon in Ogikubo, Tokyo. Well, here we are, the second floor of Type 1 Workshop here in Tokyo, the home of Spoon Sports. This is for the Honda boys. Obviously, if you don't know about Spoon, basically known for their Honda engine work, transmission, LSD, suspension and brake upgrades. Make these things as fast as possible. I can already see the iconic yellow and blue livery FL5 in there, plus S660, and even a new Prelude up on the little lift to the second floor. So let's head in, grab some B-roll, let's go. Pretty awesome. They've got the FL5 from the Super Taikyu Endurance series here, and it's actually being worked on, so you can see the brakes and suspension really clearly, which is sick. This is obviously base platform FL5 built for the ST2 Endurance series with heaps of work done to it. And then pretty crazy at the back of this car, you can actually see the single exit exhaust with the catalytic converter right at the end of the exhaust tip to reduce heat in the engine bay. Finally, when I'm learning at 2024 Auto Salons coming into practice. Shout out Uncle Jackie. I actually know a bit about cars. And then taking a look in the engine bay here, obviously still K20C, but yellow top, Spoon style, got the Spoon reservoir socks there and upgraded radiator. Heat management in this thing probably a lot better than the FL5s have been tracking over in Philippines and NZ. Well, an hour and a half later, down in central Chiba, and guess where I am? The home of Smoky Nagata. Top secret. Guess what's outside? Gold 34, green 35, grey 32. Let's grab some shots. Well, might as well kick it off with this 34. This thing is absolutely ridiculous. Sitting on some top secret 2001 Volk Rays wheels. This thing is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, the color for a start is just out of this world. And then the attention to detailing on this thing is just unreal. Carbon wing, carbon hood, top secret livery and stickers. Then you got the new boy on the block, the 35. As if this isn't stacked on some top secret wheels, carbon hood, carbon front bumper, carbon side skirts, then round the rear, big carbon wing, carbon diffuser, carbon, and finished in green, which is just stunning. And then this 32, absolutely ridiculous. I'm pretty sure this is the VR32, like 1070 horsepower R32. This thing is absolutely ludicrous. Carbon fiber hood, carbon front lip, finished in the grey. It just looks stunning. Look at these three lined up. Even got Yamato in there, bro. This thing's unreal. And of course they got all versions of the A80 GT300 Supra stocked up. This NO64 one's mean. They've also got Mini GT though, for a tighter budget. Might pick that one up. Pretty rad, they've got this model too and the car's actually outside. It's so cool. And then you got the gold mine down here, signed by the man himself. He's not at work today. He's over in Hong Kong for 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon Hong Kong. That's alright, I'll catch him at Auto Salon next year, but pretty cool, signed model. So I just headed inside. They told me this room here is actually the dyno, the tuning room. So in there they got the dyno, that's where the magic happens. Pretty funny, this little shed on the corner is where thousands of horsepower have been produced. And then what's pretty cool is if you just take a little look in this gap, you got the 33 and 35 tucked away in the shop. With other customer cars in there, they really hate when you film customer cars in Japan, so you gotta stay out the shop and respect that, but pretty cool, those are just tucked in the doorway.